Hey everybody, I just want to introduce you to this Turtle Time Trials activity. This is particularly for my PM sections of 7th and 8th period. Since I won't be here, the sub will be here, so I just wanted to kind of walk you through this to give you a little introduction here. The focus of this activity is to introduce you to proportional relationships and review rates and initial value. Initial value is not a term you've heard before, but it's new in the 8th grade world. Everything you've seen to this point in 6th and 7th grade on the graph has always started mostly at the origin, like through that 0, 0 point. And here you kind of get introduced to a relationship that doesn't always start at the origin. Notice the top turtle here. He's not starting at the same place that the second turtle is he? So if you kind of press play here, you can see turtle 1 starts ahead of turtle 2, but turtle 2 has a faster rate than turtle 1. Okay, that's what's kind of going on there. So you could think about that. Now here you're provided a graph on the bottom, so follow along with that here. And you're given a table to the right with different time intervals. So you can kind of see, if you back it up to 2 seconds here, there's 2 seconds, all right? And at 2 seconds, the turtle in lane 1 looks to be at 8, and the turtle in lane 2 looks to be at 6, so you put 6 there. At time 3, if you go to time 3, drag the dot a little bit more. Oh, there's time 3. Right there. Oh, look at that. At this point, they're at exactly the same. They're both at 9. So the turtle in lane 2 and lane 3 are both at 9. So that's kind of how you would do that. You click check work, and it'll tell you if you are correct or not. Okay? I was correct. You will be too. All right. Kind of skip ahead a little bit. Now there's a third turtle. Same kind of thing going on here. So interesting. Turtle 1 starts ahead. Turtle 2 moves quickly ahead of turtle 1, and then turtle 3 finishes last. So you're going to do a similar exercise here. Look at this. Look at these lines. This is interesting. So lane 2, notice how the turtle in lane 2 starts at the origin for the graph. That's because turtle 2 starts here at the starting line, which is considered position 0. Notice how turtle 1 starts at, it looks like if you go straight down, he's starting at 6. Well, look at his line. Look at lane 1. Notice how it hits the y-axis at 6. That's called the initial value. And it's at 6 for lane 1 because that's where the turtle starts. Here's all 3 of them, lane 1, lane 2, and lane 3. Look at this. It says which one is faster, lane 1 turtle or the lane 3 turtle? How could you tell? Focus on the steepness of the lines, not necessarily where they start. Focus on how steep they are, because the steeper the line, the faster the rate. Okay? And whatever you get for the rate, you can put that into an equation. For example, lane 2, we'll start with that one. Lane 2 has a rate of 3. You could find that from the table. You could also go to time 1 and see where each one is at. So after 1 second, turtle 2 is at 3. So his rate is 3 inches or 3 feet per second. That's why it's D equals 3t for that turtle. At lane 1, he starts at 6. If we back up to the beginning, lane 1, he starts at 6, and after 1 second, he is at only 7. So he only moved 1 foot in that second. So his rate's only 1. That's why the equation for lane 1 is 6 plus 1t. Okay? All right. And then here's a create your own opportunity. All right. So hopefully that video gives you some context, helps you understand the activity a little bit better. After this, you're going to do the Edge Elastic assignment. Go to edgeelastic.com, log in through your school Google account, and I'll see you next class. Okay? Have a great weekend, everybody.